Welcome to BikeBlasters, your trusted source for motorcycle reviews and insights. Today, we're spotlighting the 2025 Honda Fury, a factory-built chopper that blends classic cruiser aesthetics with Honda's renowned engineering. The Fury has always been a unique offering, and the 2025 model takes its legacy to the next level. Classic chopper aesthetics. The 2025 Honda Fury stays true to its roots with a stretched-out design, a teardrop fuel tank, and a raked front fork that screams classic chopper. The frame showcases clean, flowing lines that emphasize the bike's elongated stance, while the minimalist bodywork ensures that the V-twin engine remains the star of the show. Honda has introduced several new color schemes for 2025, including striking metallics and understated matte options. The polished chrome accents on the exhaust, handlebars, and wheels add a touch of luxury, while the LED headlight and taillight modernize the bike's look without compromising its retro appeal. Performance-driven V-twin engine. Powering the Fury is a 1312cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine that delivers 57 horsepower and 79 Nm of torque. This engine is designed for smooth, consistent power delivery, whether you're cruising around town or hitting the open road. The 2025 model features updated fuel injection for improved efficiency and throttle response, ensuring that the Fury runs cleaner and smoother than ever before. The signature exhaust note, a deep, rumbling growl, remains a hallmark of the bike, perfectly complementing its bold personality. Modern features for the modern rider. While the 2025 Honda Fury exudes classic chopper vibes, it doesn't skimp on modern conveniences. The updated instrument cluster combines analog dials with a digital display for clear readouts of speed. Honda has equipped the Fury with a slipper clutch for smoother downshifting, and added Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, for improved traction on various surfaces. These features make the Fury as practical as it is stylish, appealing to both experienced riders and newcomers to the chopper scene. Comfortable ergonomics for the long haul. Despite its aggressive design, the Fury prioritizes rider comfort. The wide, pullback handlebars and forward-mount foot controls create a relaxed riding position that's perfect for long journeys. The low 26.9-inch seat height ensures accessibility for riders of all sizes, while the plush cushioning keeps you comfortable mile after mile. The optional passenger seat and sissy bar make two-up riding a breeze, and the 13-liter fuel tank provides a respectable range for highway cruising. Whether you're heading across town or embarking on a weekend road trip, the Fury is built to keep you comfortable. Smooth handling and balanced ride. The 2025 Honda Fury is more than just a showpiece. It's a capable machine that offers a smooth and balanced ride. The long wheelbase and 32-degree rake give the bike a stable feel, while the 45mm telescopic fork and rear monoshock ensure a comfortable ride over uneven surfaces. The Fury's lightweight frame and responsive handling make it surprisingly easy to maneuver even at lower speeds. The 200-mile-wide rear tire provides excellent grip and contributes to the bike's confident stance. Customization potential. For riders who love to personalize their bikes, the 2025 Honda Fury offers endless customization potential. Honda's official accessories include custom handlebars, performance exhaust systems, and chrome detailing, while the clean, minimalist design allows for extensive aftermarket modifications. Whether you prefer subtle upgrades or a full custom build, the Fury provides the perfect canvas. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Honda Fury is competitively priced, making it an attractive option for riders seeking a factory-built chopper with premium features. Available at dealerships now, the Fury offers exceptional value for those who crave style, performance, and reliability in a single package. Final thought. The 2025 Honda Fury is a true standout in the cruiser market, blending timeless chopper aesthetics with the performance and reliability that Honda is known for. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser enthusiast or exploring the world of motorcycles for the first time, the Fury delivers an unforgettable experience. Thanks for tuning into Bike Blasters. For more reviews, insights, and updates, be sure to subscribe and join us for the ride. Until next time, ride safe and keep blasting.